Hello and welcome guys once again. In this video I am just showing you guys to increase your views in millions. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel and join the group for the Facebook and Instagram. So before we start, I'm just going to say you that this video is for the beginners who really wants to increase their views in millions. So this would be helpful for all of you who are watching, but I am just saying you that I am not using this trick. So what you're gonna to do is follow my instruction which I am giving in the video. So if you want to get any money, this video is not for you. So let's start the video guys.